Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to go over 5 of the top loan programs to buy a home in 2023 if you can't do a traditional loan where you can show tax returns, W-2s, paycheck stubs, you know, the normal vanilla everyday income like everybody else is. So let's get into these programs and see if we can't help you buy a house this year. So let's go over the first program. So the number one first program is a stated income product. So basically, there's no job information required. There's no income required on the application. This is a true stated income, stated employment. So there's nothing on the loan application. We just need 2 years living history, and we have to make sure that you have anywhere between 3 months and 18 months reserves, depending on where your credit score is at. Super easy loan to qualify for. This is probably my favorite loan that I've seen come out in the past year. You can get a gift for the down payment and the closing costs if that makes sense for your situation. And this loan's going to start at a 640 credit score all the way up to a 740 credit score. Super awesome product. Hit us up. Love to get you pre-approved. Go over the figures for you. Just make sure you have those reserves. You have to have your own reserves, but you can get a gift for the down payment and the closing costs. So let's get into the second product. This one, I love this product. So if you're a 1099 employee and you have at least 12 months history doing the same thing with a 12-month history of pay on that 1099 form, and maybe you had W-2 income before that, maybe it's as long as it's the same line of work, I only need that 12-month history on that 1099 loan program. So I can take that. We're going to take the total income on that. We don't require tax returns on this product either. So we're going to deduct 10% for expenses off of that total 1099 form figure. So if it's 150 grand, we're going to minus off 10%, and we got to use the rest of that to qualify you to buy a house. We can do these with very minimal to low down payments, anywhere from 5 to 10% down on this product. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions about it. Love to chat with you on this product. Let's get into number 3. So number 3 is the bank statement loan. So we've got a bank statement loan. So if you're self-employed and you have 12 to 24 months bank statements, these are going to be lower down payments. So you can get away with like 10%, 15% down. And we can either use 12 months, 24 months of personal bank statements, or we can use business bank statements. Now, when you use business bank statements, we do have to deduct for expenses on that. So we're not requiring tax returns on any of these products. And what we're going to do is you can either get a letter from your CPA stating you only write off 10%, 5%, 25%, 20%, whatever the figure may be, if you're using 12 to 24 months business bank statements. If you're using personal bank statements, then we don't have to deduct any expenses. As long as you don't have any big, huge, abnormal deposits, we can use all the deposits on your personal tax or on your personal bank statements. So pretty easy products to qualify for there. We also have a product to where, and this is pretty much a vanilla A product, but if you're self-employed for at least 5 years, we can normally run that automated approval and only require that we use your most recent 1-year tax return instead of having to take an average of those 2 years tax returns. And I run into this a lot with clients to where if they use the average of the 2 years, maybe 1 year, it shows a lot lower income and they made a lot more the year after, but they've been in business for 5 years. We can usually get that automated approval and only ask for 1 year's tax return, use that most recent tax return, give you more income, qualify you for more of a purchase price or more of a house that you're trying to buy. So those are my top 5 picks for 2023. If you want to get pre-approved, or if you just want to ask a few questions or just see what we can do for you and see what options there are, we do have a lot of other products out there. Hit me up 24/7, 7 days a week, UtahLowRate.com. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and you can reach me anytime, 801-604-4949. Thanks. See you on the next one.